Holly here from bakingamoment.com. Thanksgiving's right around the corner and I want to make sure that you have all the best recipes to make this holiday unforgettable. When my kids were much younger, their great-grandmother used to make this sweet potato casserole that everybody loved. Honestly, I'm usually not a fan of sweetened sweet potato dishes, but this dish totally changed my mind. So I've reverse engineered it and came up with my own version that I think really honors her and comes about as close as you can to what came to be known as her specialty. It's really a very easy dish to make. It won't take you long and it transports very well, so if you're not hosting Thanksgiving dinner at your own home, you can bring it wherever you're going and just warm it up when you get there. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk a little bit about the ingredients and tools that you need to make this dish. You'll need sweet potatoes, butter, crushed pineapple, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, salt, and some mini marshmallows. You're also going to need a souffle dish or casserole dish. Grandma Marge always did it in a round souffle dish that has just kind of become iconic in our minds, but a rectangular or square casserole dish will work just as well. You're also going to need a big mixing bowl, a potato masher or something that can be used like a potato masher, even just like a big fork will work, and a silicone spatula. Now, if you don't mind, I would really love for you to take a quick second just to click the like button. It's a pretty easy thing to do, but you wouldn't believe how much it helps me out, and I so appreciate it. Start by peeling the sweet potatoes and cutting them into big chunks. So you're just gonna boil these sweet potatoes until they're fork tender. Then you can drain them. And mash them up along with the butter, pineapple, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. Fold it all together so you get a little bit of each of those ingredients in every bite. Transfer it to your souffle or casserole dish. The final step is to top the casserole with the mini marshmallows. Do your best to get them in an even layer, but you don't have to be real nitpicky about it. And bake it in the oven until it's heated through. And just take them out when the top looks really toasty. There's lots more info and a downloadable, savable recipe card on my website, bakingamoment.com, which is linked here in the description. And be sure to check out some of my other favorite Thanksgiving side dish recipes to make your holiday meal spectacular. Click subscribe if you want to get a notification every time I come out with something new. From me and my boys to you and all your family and friends, we want to wish you the happiest of holidays. Enjoy!